This is called eTag, and we use this to pay our tollway. So apparently this been with this car for about 14-15 years, and the battery is flat, and I have ordered a new one. But if I take this one off, the new one is not compatible with this mount, so I'm going to have to remove this. But since this one is so tight and glue, I don't know how to remove it. I don't want to pull and dangerously might risk the whole windscreen to crack. I don't know how to do this, but I'll try my best to do it. Based on the experience in the past, I'm just going to do my way. And this is the new tag that I received in my mailbox. And as you can see, the new one have a tiny hole there. And as you can see, this is the old one, and this is the new one. The old one is slightly bigger than the new one, and the old one have a different attachment compared to the new one. I can just install side by side, but it just look a bit odd, and I don't really like it. Okay, I'm gonna use this plastic scraper, and it's better to use plastic scraper. You don't want to use metal scraper because you don't want to scratch the windscreen, and it's going to be bad. I'm going to put a little bit of WD-40 spray, and I'm gonna apply it a little bit on the side. Okay, it looks promising. Just need to add a little bit of you don't want to apply too much. Okay, this side is wobbly. This one's still tough. Just need to add this on the right side. Done. I always rely on this spray. I call it magic spray. So now I just need to clean, and there is a stain here from the glue. Need to spray a little bit and wipe it off. Yes, it's all gone now. So now I'm going to install the new one. I think this area should be good. Cool, it's done. It's not too bad. It's easy to install. The only thing that is taking a lot of time is to remove the old mold from the windscreen. But once you remove it, and it's all good. That's the new one, and that's the old one. Again, if you find this video useful, always give it a thumbs. Consider subscribing to my channel. Until then, I'll see you later. See ya.